I am Mark Donovan, Director of Commercial Applications for Audio-Technica here at InfoComm 2025, booth 3716. Here, actually, this is kind of an important section of our booth here. It's just a 16-foot section of wall that we have that's dedicated strictly to all of our partners that we're working with, because we understand this is not about selling a box, right? This isn't about just selling a single component. It's about how we can integrate and how we can work well with other manufacturers. For example, we've got Atlona Systems here in the booth. We've got Extron here in the booth. We've got, let's see, what else do we have? We actually have the Crestrons and the Automate VX stuff and One Beyond. We've got QSys. And this is just a few of the things that we physically have in here, but and I don't know how well you can see it on the video here, but we're flashing up all these different icons, places, you know, like Netgear and Symmetrics and all these other different companies that we're really actively working with daily to make sure that integration between these devices is a simple process. Because at the end of the day, we understand you're not just buying a box and you're not just putting a box in there. You're trying to make everything in an ecosystem work together, and we're trying very hard to be part of that. We're working actively with their engineering teams and their support teams, so we're here to support you through the whole thing and make sure it all works together. Now we have a dedicated page on our website, which is just for the partners, so you can find that at www.audio-technica.com, and of course you can get more information on any of our products there. And if you're here at InfoComm 2025, please stop by. We'd love to talk. Thanks very much for joining.